How to create new Telegram account with same number. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can create a new Telegram account with same number, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to create a new Telegram account using a same number, it is indeed possible, but the way you can do this is that you have to delete your current account with that same number first. You can't say you can use the same number for both the accounts and use both the accounts at the same time. Your previous phone number needs to have been deleted, which means that you need to actually go ahead and then basically delete the previous phone number of the account, and now you can just try to enter the new phone number that you would like to use, and once then you can just tap the next option and then you will get the coordinate number and then you will be able to use it. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically create new Telegram account with same phone number. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.